Hey guys, this is Keon Corniff, also known as Mr. Finance, and I just want to come here and tell you that you need a dream. You need a dream so big that your dreams scare people when you tell them about it. I'm gonna be a billionaire. My family will be a billionaire family. And the reason why I speak that and I believe it is because I know I can achieve it. You can too. It's easy to be a billionaire. All you gotta do is find a problem and solve it. Problem solving people are becoming rich. Find a problem and solve it. That's why I went into financial literacy, because I found a problem. There's a lot of people that still don't understand finance. They don't know their FIN number. They still don't understand how to budget. They don't know how to put together a financial goal. They still don't know how to even understand the wealth formula. These are the things that we need to learn, so that way we can start achieving financial freedom. What is financial freedom? It ain't a big house. It ain't on the beach. That's not financial freedom. Financial freedom is control of time and understanding the knowledge that you're given. That's financial freedom. So keep fighting. My name is Keon Corniff, also known as Mr. Finance. Remember that you're one decision away from changing your future for the better. So always remember, the choice is always yours. Choose wisely. I'll see you guys at the top.